Sig Sauer's lawyers argued here in Thurston County Court today on behalf of the company's own reputation and in support of local police agencies like Anacortes.
This particular firearm is the Sig P320.
Straight from the factory and still in the bag. Some of these Sig Sauer model P320 handguns are so new, Anacortes Police Chief Dave Floyd hasn't distributed them to officers yet. But the days are numbered for this gun and the other 30 or so issued to his officers.
We're replacing all of our issued firearms for the duty pistol with a different handgun altogether at the cost of about $1,000 per duty gun.
The city's investment in Sig Sauer's is a total loss. The Washington Criminal Justice Training Commission banned P320s last year after a recruit and instructor said one fired on the range, even though the trigger wasn't pulled.
Sir?
Similar reported incidents around the country resulted in injuries, and the Air Force is investigating the death of an airman killed 2 weeks ago in an incident involving the military version of the gun. The Anacortes police chief isn't convinced of the danger.
I've seen nothing personally that causes me concern, and if it were not for the ban from CJCC, we would not be switching to a different issued firearm.
But the ban at the training center, where police recruits are trained and certified, has forced his hand.
So what's the total cost?
For us, it's going to be about $35,000.
This is a motion for stay of agency action.
Sig Sauer filed suit in Thurston County, saying the Academy's ban hurts its business and reputation across the country. In this hearing, they asked a judge to order a stay, reversing the Training Commission ban until the full case can be heard.
As the manufacturer, this whole decision is about Sig Sauer, its product, its ability to supply law enforcement, the impacts it has on law enforcement. They can't train, they can't certify.
Sig Sauer's petition goes so far as to request an order barring the Academy's executive director from making disparaging public comments about the P320. Sig Sauer says the gun won't shoot without a trigger pull and blames operator error.
They're not likely to prevail because they cannot show that they have standing.
The state attorney general's office defended the ban and said Sig Sauer's business and reputation problems can't be pinned on the training academy alone.
There's a great deal of information out there regarding this firearm because of the numerous documented incidences of uncommanded discharges that this firearm has experienced.
In a ruling from the bench, Judge Carol Murphy said the gunmaker's petition to reverse the ban missed the target, at least for today.
The court is denying the motion for stay.
The judge was careful to point out that her decision is based on very limited information, not all the merits in the case, and the case is proceeding. But for now, the State Training Commission's ban of the P320 at its facilities remains in effect. In Olympia, Chris Ingalls, King 5 News.